exactly be the last hurrah, but more like the next or the latest hurrah for big teams with big players. But it has been 12 failed attempts in a row in trying to lift the biggest club football prize. And surely, after decimating Bayern Munich and demolishing Real Madrid, it would take a major choking job, a massive brain freeze, or another overthinking collapse by Guardiola for City not to take care of the underdogs Inter Milan in this final. Man City has better players, a better functional team, and Pep Guardiola, the big world coach, so they should win. But first of all, I don't like big favorite teams. Me like underdogs, and Inter Milan is the big underdog for this final. So me want Inter to win. So let's go, Pep. Push it again and give the Maverick one more year to beat you.